નમસ્કાર, હું આદર્શ છું. વેલકમ ટુ આદર્શ એજ્યુકેશન સોસાયટી. Hello students, welcome to part 8 of standard 6th science chapter 6. Be my multiple, I will be your factor. In the last part, first of all, in the last part we were arranging the tamarind seeds into rectangles, isn't it? And the last question was that if there are 15 tamarind seeds, how many rectangles can you make? And I gave you hint for that, isn't it? So let's first of all complete that. 15 seeds. If 15 seeds are there, then how to arrange them? Then after we will discuss this question. So total how many seeds are there? 15 seeds, isn't it? Now what are the multiples of 15? 1, 3, 5 and 15. Okay, so we will arrange them in the row. See, these are rows, isn't it? This is 1, 2, 3. These are rows. And if it is something like that, okay, then these are columns. Okay. Second thing, we will say instead of row, we will say length. And here we will say width. Okay. So instead of row, we can say this is length. This is length. And width. This is width. Why? Because I am making you understand this. In this one, we will discuss like row and column. Instead of row and column, we will say length and width. That is why. Now, 15 sheets are there. We want to arrange them in the shape of rectangle. How many rectangles can we make? We can make 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 rectangles. Okay. Now how to do? See, suppose one row is there. Row is in this way. Okay. Suppose one row is there and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So, see, this is one row, isn't it? One row and 15 columns. 1, 2, 3. 15 columns. So here I can write 1 multiplied by 15. I can say this is length also. Length, and this is width. This is width. So length is only 1. Length is 1 and width is 15. Now, if there are 3 rows, then let's go for 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 rows. Once again arrange them. 3. 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 3, 6. 1, 2, 3. Plus 3, 9. 1, 2, 3. Plus 3, 12. 1, 2, 3. Plus 3, 15. So these are 1, 2, 3 rows. And how many columns? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 3 row and column. And if you want to write, then length is 3 and this is width is 5. Then let's go for 5 rows. 1. Now 5 rows. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 rows. And let's arrange some more seats. Put some more seats. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 5, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 plus 5 plus 5, 15. So this is another rectangle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 rows. 1, 2, 3. 3 columns, isn't it? Now 15. So let's go for 15 row. Here, let me arrange over here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I arranged all the 15 seats into 15 rows, or else we can say one column, isn't it? So it is that column into one column, isn't it? And 15 rows. So I should write 15 row and one column. So total how many? 1, 2, 3, 4 rectangles we can make. Okay. So this was the exercise of last part, I can say. Now in this part we will see some more. Okay, in this one, see, coloring the grid. In the grid here, a rectangle made of 20 boxes. Let's see this. It is on the page number 93 here, and you must be on this page number 93. Okay, so open your page number 93 and look this figure, this rectangle. See, total it is 20 by 20. Okay, so the grid here, a rectangle made of 20 boxes is drawn. The width of this rectangle is 2 boxes. Okay, now here can you see this gray part? This gray part in which the width of this rectangle is 2 boxes. This rectangle now, its width is, can you see 2 boxes, 1 and 2, it is 2. Last time I have told you, if that is column, then it is a width. See, this is a width of 2 boxes. Okay, now we want to go for total 20 rectangles or 20 boxes. So if 2 is the width, then length will be, automatically it will be 10. 2 tens are 20. See, we want to make a box of 20, rectangle of 20 boxes. So if it is 2 width or 2 columns are there, then naturally 2 tens are 20. So this length should be 10 only, isn't it? So what is its length? Its length is 10, and you can see also, see 1, 2, 3 like that. Here you can see 10. So this is 2 and 10, and we will write it as 10 multiplied by 2. Color a rectangle made of 20 boxes in some other way. Okay, in some other way. Now see, it is not possible for me to draw that grid, but I can show you how to prepare those rectangles. See, we want to prepare a rectangle of 20 boxes, isn't it? We want to prepare a rectangle of 20 boxes. So by that time, actually we should know the multiples of 20. So the multiples of 20 are 1, then 2, 4, 5, 10 and 20 itself, isn't it? So these are the multiples of 20, in which one of the box, it is there in there. It was with See, one of the box we have seen this one, isn't it? In which 2 is the width and length is 10. So one of the box we have seen that is 10 multiplied by 2. We will write length multiplied by width. Okay, so हमने ये वाला 10 वाला एक देख लिया. Okay, so if let's see from here, if there is a length of 1 is the length, so 1 is the length, then width will be 20, isn't it? Why? Because length multiplied by width. अगर length 1 है, let me go over here, length 1 है, then width को कितनी होनी चाहिए? 20. So I will have to go for 20 boxes in a line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay. See, this is 20. Okay. So the length is 1 and width is 20. So this is the one way. 1 multiplied by 2 is 20. So this is one of the rectangle. Now you will have to draw this rectangle, this one. Draw it over here, somewhere over here. Draw this rectangle. Okay. Then after, suppose 2 is the length. Then how to get 20? If we multiply by 10, then 2 tens are 20, isn't it? So if length is 2, this 1 and 2, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Okay. See, 1 and 2, length is 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Width is 10. So this is one more rectangle. You can draw over here and you will have to color with different color. Now 1, 2. Now if it is 4, the length is 4. Then what it should be the width? 4 5s are, isn't it? So let's go for length 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 3 and 4. See 1. Can you see 1, 2, 3, 4? Isn't it? So 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Length is 4. Now let's go for the width. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Isn't it? So width is 5. And we can 4 5s are 20. Now then after if the length is 5, then width should be 4. Now let's go for that. For that, let me erase this. Okay. The next one, 5 rows. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. So here 5 length, then the column should be or width should be 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So the width should be 4. 4, isn't it? So one more rectangle you will have to draw somewhere over here in this and color it. 5. Then if it is 10, we have seen this is length with 10. This is length with 10 and 2. It is already in this. Then after if it is 20, so length is 20. So you should draw that one somewhere over here. See here total length is 20. Okay, and width is 1. So in the last one, this last one, you draw over here. How to draw? See, like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay, so here in the last one, you can color it. So how to draw these rectangles we have come to know. So total how many rectangles? The next question is what is the length and width that we write down? Okay, if for this we can write, for this rectangle we can write 5 multiplied by 4. For this rectangle the length is 20, this is 1. For this one we can write 20 multiplied by 1. Okay, like that. First of all write length. See this is. First of all write length and then write. So here in every rectangle, somewhere over here write the length and width something like this. So write 10 multiplied by 2. 10 multiplied by 2 over here. Okay, in this one. So this way you can complete this activity. And total how many rectangles we see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 rectangles we can draw or we can color for 20. So this was part 8. With this we are completing this part, finishing this part, and will meet you in the next exercise or next puzzle or game. We will enjoy it. Thank you. Thank you for joining us. Take care of yourselves and we'll meet you in the next session. Thank you.